Are you looking for a unique career that you can hit the ground running with? Come be a part of Epic Flight Academy's Part 147 Aircraft Mechanics School. Students train to become aircraft maintenance technicians, the FAA title applied to aircraft mechanics. The A&P certification also qualifies you for more work outside of solely aircrafts. You will gain knowledge, develop skills, and foster a disposition of safety and care that can transfer into hundreds of different career paths for yourself. This certification allows you to work on everything from hot air balloons in Albuquerque, jumbo jets at United, help spread the magic at Disney, or even work for SpaceX on an upcoming mission. The Aircraft Mechanic program takes 18 months to complete, with new classes starting 3 times each year. Starting pay for aircraft mechanics can vary among different companies, but is in the neighborhood of $60,000 a year. Aircraft maintenance technicians continue to be in high demand for the versatility of their skills and how they can transfer those skills beyond just aircraft maintenance. With more than 750,000 new jobs opening over the next 10 years, you will have many options. Epic has successfully trained thousands of individuals and launched their careers by giving them the skills needed to become an asset in the workplace. Epic is thrilled to be driving A&P certified mechanics into the workforce in 2020. Come join us. For more information, visit epicflightacademy.com and click on the Mechanic Program tab to start your application today. Be sure to like our video and subscribe for more Epic content. And while you're here, check out some of our more recent videos and playlists.